Hi guys, this is Enriquez from Impact Unlimited. In today's video, we're going to cover the origins of the wind and where the magical force is coming from. I bet things like this we always take for granted, like the sunlight, water, wind, name it, whatever it can be, but we take it for granted, but we're not even aware of its origins. So that's what we're going to discuss today. But before we get to that good part, please consider to subscribe to our channel, leave a like and a comment, and that's really going to help our channel to grow. And now, wind is a flow of gases on a large scale. On the surface of the Earth, wind consists of the bulk movement of air. Winds are commonly classified by their spatial scale, their speed, the types of forces that can cause them, the regions which they occur, and their effect. In meteorology, winds are often referred to according to their strength and direction from which the wind is blowing. Short bursts of high-speed wind are termed gusts. Strong winds of intermediate duration, around 1 minute, are termed squalls. Long-duration winds have various names associated with their average strength, such as breeze, gale, storm, and hurricane. Wind occurs on a range of scales, from thunderstorm flows lasting tens of minutes, to local breezes generated by heating of land surfaces and lasting few hours, to global winds, resulting from the difference in absorption of solar energy between the climate zones on Earth. The main cause of the wind is a little bit surprising. It's the temperature. More specifically, it's differences in temperature between different areas. The wind is also caused by differences in atmospheric pressure. When a difference in atmospheric pressure exists, air moves from the higher to the lower pressure area, resulting in winds of various speeds. You might ask how the temperature differences makes the wind blow. The gases that make up our atmosphere do interesting things as the temperatures change. When gases warm up, the atoms and the molecules move faster, spread out and rise. That's why steam coming off a pot of boiling water always goes upward. When air is colder, the gases get slower and closer together, and colder air sinks. The sun warms up the air, but it does so unevenly. Because the sun hits different parts of Earth at different angles, and because Earth has oceans, mountains, and other features, some places are warmer than others. Because of this, we get pockets of warm air and cold air. So there is that. And to explain how all the pressure thing works out, listen to this. Since gases behave differently at different temperatures, that means you also get pockets with high pressure and pockets with low pressure. In areas of high pressure, the gases in air are more crowded. In low pressure zones, the gases are a little bit more spread out. You might think that the warm air would lead to a higher pressure area, but actually the opposite is the truth. Because warm air rises, it leaves behind an area of low pressure behind it. And now here comes the wind. Now we're getting to the part where the wind actually happens. Gases move from high pressure areas to low pressure areas. And the bigger the difference between the pressures, the faster the air will move from high to low pressure. That rush of air is actually the wind we experience. But why does air move at all? This is something that happens in nature all the time. Things always try to even out. It's called diffusion. Even people do it. So when people get on a bus, do they all take a seat on the same side of the bus? Or all the strangers sit next to each other when there are plenty of other seats available? No way. People want to spread out as much as possible. Next time you feel the wind blow, think about where it's going and what temperatures and pressures are causing it to do that. So that's it, guys. We managed to cover this subject in very few minutes just to give you an idea of the origins of the wind and how all the magic is happening. Can you imagine that before science, for millennia, people have been believing that wind was caused by mystical powers and godly powers and etc. But thanks to the science, we can explain these things in a very accurate and modern way. I hope that you liked the video, guys, and I want to give you another reminder.
Here you can see the monkey clapping
The hands over the subscribe button. That's a reminder for you to subscribe to our channel. You can also leave a comment and hit the like button, and it's going to help our channel to grow. And by the way, if you're interested in the main cause of our channel, which is charity, then you can click one of those videos that you're going to see popping up real quick, and then you can investigate for yourself if you would like to be a part of Impact Unlimited. And well, I hope you do. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.